Get someone to hold the door and the broken glass in place while you unscrew it. If you're on your own, lock the door in the open position and use pliers to hold the glass in place. You can now remove the screws holding the glass in place. Using a suitable screwdriver, remove the elements holding the glass. If one of the screws is blocked by soot, a little glass cleaner will help to loosen it. If the screw is broken, don't worry. Depending on your stove model, we offer replacement screws and fasteners. Once the screws have been removed, carefully remove the broken glass, wearing protective gloves. Scrape off any glue residue with a screwdriver. Vacuum thoroughly to obtain a clean surface. Then clean the area with a degreasing agent. Take the dimensions by installing the joint in its location and cut the desired length with scissors. There is no drying time after installing a self-adhesive flat joint. Wear gloves before carefully removing the glass from its packaging. If there are two of you, the other person can hold the door in place while you install the glass in its slot. If you're on your own, use pliers to hold the glass in the door. Replace the screws all around the glass. Be careful not to over-tighten them. When the appliance is switched on, the door will expand slightly. If the screws are too tight, pressure will be exerted on the glass and it may break. Leave a little clearance, but don't over-tighten the screws. Finally, close the stove door.